Hey there, fellow travelers. As we all know, summer is just around the corner, and it's the perfect time to start planning your next adventure. In this video, I'm going to guide you through creating a custom-made travel plan, so that you can make the most of your trip and have an unforgettable experience. So let's get started. The first step in creating a custom-made travel plan is to choose your destination. Consider what kind of experience you're looking for. A beach vacation, a city break, or a cultural exploration. Do you want to travel domestically or internationally? Once you've decided on your destination, start researching what the area has to offer. Check out popular attractions, local festivals, and events that are happening during the month of your visit. This will give you a better idea of what to include in your itinerary. The second step is to determine your budget. Travel can be expensive, but with careful planning, you can find ways to save money. Decide on how much you want to spend on flights, accommodation, food, and activities. Be sure to also factor in any additional costs such as transportation, visas, and travel insurance. Keep in mind that summer is peak travel season, so prices may be higher than usual. The third step is to plan your itinerary. This is where you get to customize your trip and decide on the activities and sites that you want to see. Research your destination in depth and create a list of must-see attractions, museums, and landmarks. Also, consider any outdoor activities such as hiking or water sports that you may want to participate in. Be sure to also include some downtime to relax and soak up the local culture. When planning your itinerary, consider the location of each activity and try to group them together to save time and money. Once you have your itinerary planned out, the next step is to book your accommodation. Look for options that are within your budget and close to the activities on your itinerary. Consider factors such as safety, amenities, and proximity to public transportation. If you're traveling internationally, research the local customs and practices to ensure that you find accommodation that meets your needs and preferences. The final step is to prepare for your trip. Make sure that you have all the necessary documents such as your passport, visa, and travel insurance. If you're traveling internationally, familiarize yourself with the local customs and language. Research the weather conditions and pack accordingly. Be sure to also have a plan in place for emergencies and unexpected events. Consider downloading travel apps to help you navigate the area and find local recommendations. Congratulations! You now have a custom-made travel plan for your trip. Remember to be flexible and adjust your itinerary as needed. Travel is all about experiencing new things and immersing yourself in different cultures. By following these steps, you're sure to have a memorable and enjoyable trip. Thanks for watching and happy travels. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel videos.